Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Pretty Girls on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. For this song, you're gonna wanna put your capo on 6. And the chords you'll need are A minor, E minor, and F. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. That's open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. E minor is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And F is X, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. You can play this one with your thumb or do the bar chord, but I think just do this one. Just mute the top, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. So the strumming pattern goes down, rest, down, rest, down, rest, rest. Down, up, like that. So down, rest, down, rest, down, rest, rest, down, down, rest, down, rest, down, rest, rest, down, up, down, rest, down, rest, down, rest, rest, down, up, down, rest, down, rest, down, rest, rest, down, up, down, rest, down, rest, down, rest, rest, down, up, down, rest, down, rest, down, rest, rest, down, up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know what other songs you want to learn down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.